In this video, we're going to look at how to set up an InstaLOD Grid server. For this to work, you need to make sure that you have the correct license entitlements. A grid server can be set up in two different ways. The first option is to set up the server through the command line. This is really easy to do. It only requires a few commands, which I'll break down for you in this video. The second option to start an InstaLOD Grid server is to use InstaLOD Studio in its server application mode. We'll get to that in the second part of this video. Let's start off by setting up a grid server through the command line. With the command line open, we're going to change the directory using cd and navigate it to our InstaLOD pipeline folder. I'm going to start off with InstaLOD cmd followed by the command master. This will notify InstaLOD that I want to connect a master server. Next, I will specify the IP address of the server followed by the desired port. In this case, I'll be using the standard web port of 8080. Finally, we will need to add the InstaLOD profiles that should be available to the users. For this example, I'll be using the profile presets that are located in the InstaLOD pipeline directory. With that done, we can press Enter on our keyboard and start the server. On the first startup of a server.json file is generated and located in the InstaLOD pipeline directory. Inside of this file, we can add user accounts to the server. For this, we need to add the machine key of the individual users, or use a star to allow access to the account from all machines in the network. Add a username and password, and we're done. To save the server.json file, the server must be turned off first. So now that we've had a look at how to set up a server using the command line, let's look at how to set one up using InstaLOD Studio. First, launch InstaLOD Studio and open the Preferences window. Change the application mode to Server and close the Preferences window. InstaLOD will prompt you to restart the application. Once restarted, we can enter all of the information necessary, including the IP address, port, user accounts, and profiles. We are now ready to connect a processing worker to InstaLOD Grid, which we will have a look at in the next video. If you enjoyed this video, drop us a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. For the latest news about InstaLOD, please visit our website, follow us on X, join us on Discord, or sign up for the Abstract community. You can find all the links in the video description below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next one.